Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and spending a great time with your family at home. I'm your English teacher from Metropolitan Foundation School. It's your English A class for grade 3. I hope you all are waiting to school reopen. Students, as you all know, the school is open for the students of 9th and 10th class. So inshallah, you will also come to school very soon. Then we will do our work in class. Surely, you will all be anxious to come to school, but in this situation, we will continue to work online until the school reopen for us. So now let's start our work. It's the 5th assignment of English A. ये 5th assignment है English A. It's in 5th assignment of English A from month of September. Month of September का ये 5th assignment है. I hope you all are complete your 4th assignments. In last assignment, in previous video, I read the chapter Mr. Sharpe's Fish with translation. I hope you all are like the story and read the chapter thoroughly. So students, today we also revise the story Mr. Sharpe's Fish. Mr. Sharpe loved fish. He did not keep them as pet. He liked eating them. Mr. Sharpe. One day, Mr. Sharpe shouted, "Sheena, Sheena," when he got home. "Look at this fish I have brought from the market. Please cook it, and we shall eat it for dinner tomorrow." In the next day, Sheena cooked the fish. Soon the smell of fried fish filled the house. The smell crept out into the garden, gently drifted down the road, and entered the house of Sheena's friend. Sheena and her friends sat down to eat. Half an hour later, there were 3 empty plates on the table. There was also an empty dish and plenty of bones. All the fish was gone. That evening, Mr. Sharpe hurried home. "I'm ready for dinner, dear wife," he said, rubbing his hands together and sitting at the table. "What a lovely smell!" Mr. Sharpe looked most surprised. "What is this?" he said, picking up a noodle with his fork. "And what are these?" Sheena, "Oh, the fish? That naughty cat ate it," replied Sheena. Mr. Sharpe turned red, but he said nothing. The following week, Mr. Sharpe came home with another large fish. A fish for my dinner tomorrow, he said to his wife, and keep the cat out of the kitchen. His wife once again had no fish to give him for dinner. Sheena cried, "What can I do? That naughty cat ate the fish." Mr. Sharpe was very angry indeed. "The cat ate it?" he whispered. "Are you sure?" "Yes," replied Sheena. "The cat took it." Mr. Sharpe jumped up from the table. "I shall deal with the cat right now," he said, and he rushed out of the dining room. He looked all over the house and in the garden. He looked down the road, but the cat was nowhere to be found. Mr. Sharpe returned to the dining table and sadly ate his dinner in silence. That night, Mr. Sharpe had a nightmare. He dreamed that he was a very large fish. The next week, Mr. Sharpe brought home huge fish. "Look at this beauty," he said, placing it carefully on the kitchen table. It weighed exactly 2 kilos. "Now, don't let the cat get it. I shall have it for my dinner tomorrow." Sheena cooked the fish, but again her friends came. They ate up all the fish. The next day, there was no tasty fried fish for Mr. Sharpe. "Where is the fish?" he asked angrily. "That naughty cat ate it," replied Sheena. This time Mr. Sharpe found the cat. He picked it up gently and took it to his wife. "Come with me, please," he said to his wife. Mr. Sharpe marched out of the house carrying the cat. His wife followed closely behind. Mr. Sharpe entered the shop. He went straight to the vegetable section and found a waiting machine. He put the cat on the waiting machine and bent over to peer at the dial. The cat sat on the waiting machine. It was wondering what was going on. The shopkeeper came to see what was going on. He stood there with a puzzled look on his face. Mr. Sharpe pointed the dial on the waiting machine. He turned to his wife and said, "Look, what does that tell you?" "What do you mean, dear?" asked his puzzled wife. "What is the weight?" asked Mr. Sharpe. Sheena studied the dial. "It says 2 kilos." She said, "Yes, it does," said Mr. Sharpe. "My fish weighed exactly 2 kilos. This cat weighs 2 kilos too. You say that my fish is here, then where is my cat?" Sheena had no answer. That story is finished now. Now we start a copy work. In this assignment, I will give you dictation words and word sentences. You do in your copy in a very neat and clean writing. First of all, you make a title page of Mr. Sharpe's fish. Very tidy title page. Okay, students? Very colorful and tidy title page. Then you start your work. First of all, you write down the heading dictation words. Then start your dictation words. Your first dictation word is market. Your first dictation word is market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Market means bazaar, yes. Now second word is beauty. B-E-A-U-T-Y, beauty. B-E-A-U-T-Y, beauty. Beauty means, yes, खूबसूरती. Okay, now third word is drifted. D-R-I-F-T-E-D, drifted. D-R-I-F-T-E-D, drifted. Drifted means bahalana. Okay, now next word is kind. K-I-N-D, kind. K-I-N-D, kind. Kind Urdu meaning is मेहरबान, या इसको किस्म भी कहते हैं. काइंड के दो मीनिंग्स हो सकते हैं, किस्म भी और मेहरबान भी. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज पिकिंग. P-I-C-K-I-N-G, पिकिंग. P-I-C-K-I-N-G, पिकिंग. These are 5 words: market, beauty, drifted, kind, picking. And the 6th word is puzzle. P-U-Z-Z-L-E, puzzle. P-U-Z-Z-L-E, puzzle. And next word is puzzle means हैरानी. Now next word is knuckles. K-N-U-C-K-L-E-S, knuckles. K-N-U-C-K-L-E-S, knuckles. Knuckles means ajiz hona. Now next word is, the 8th word is dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. Dinner means, yes, रात का खाना. Now next word is noodles. Noodles. N-O-O-D-L-E-S. N-O-O-D-L-E-S. Noodle means noodles. It's a kind of food. And next word is, last word is section. S-E-C-T-I-O-N, section. S-E-C-T-I-O-N, section. Section means hissa. So students, these are 10 words. First word is market, second word is beauty, third word is grifted, fourth word is kind, fifth word is picking, sixth word is puzzle, seventh word is knuckles, eighth word is dinner, ninth word is noodles, and the last word is section. These are 10 words. You should write in your copy in a very neat and clean writing. Okay, students? Now come to the next word sentences. So now let's start our word sentences. Students, don't forget to draw a margin between words and sentences. Okay, students? Now we have a word kind. It's very easy word, kind. Kind means, I'll tell you, इट्स मीन मेहरबान। किस्म दो तरह के लिए, दो वर्ड के लिए यूज़ होता है ये काइंड। मेहरबान भी, इसके मीनिंग मेहरबान में भी आते हैं, और काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स ये एग्जाम के इसके लिए भी यूज़ होता है। सो द सेंटेंस इज माई मदर इज़ काइंड हार्टेड। द सेंटेंस इज माई मदर इज़ काइंड हार्टेड। क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? यस, मेरी वालदा, मेरी अम्मी बहुत रहम दिल हैं, बहुत मेहरबान दिल है उनका। Okay, now come to the next one. Money. It's also very easy word, money. And the sentence is, I have a lot of money. Oh, I have a lot of money. मेरे पास बहुत से पैसे हैं. Money means, you all know. Yes, पैसे. Now next word. First word is kind. Second word is money. Now third word is wonderful. Third word is wonderful. Wonderful means Shandar. She is a wonderful lady. Where is the sentence? She is a wonderful lady. Okay, now come to the next one. Boil. Boil means ubal. Boil. I don't like boiled vegetables. Sentence is, I don't like boiled vegetables. Like Mr. Sharpe. Mr. Sharpe don't like boiled vegetables. Mr. Sharpe like fish. Yes. Okay, now come to the next one. Friend. Oh, it's also very easy word. And sentence is, my friend is so nice. First word is kind. My mother is kind-hearted. Second word is money. And the sentence is, I have a lot of money. Third word is wonderful. She is a wonderful lady. Fourth word is boil. And the sentence is, I don't like boiled vegetables. Last one is friend. And the sentence is, my friend is so nice. So students, it's your copy work, doing your copy in a very neat and clean writing. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Stay home. Stay blessed.